Hey guys, this is Arshil Haq, and today we're back with another video. And what I'm gonna do is every day I'm gonna upload a video of me analyzing the market and if I can find any setups or not, so that I can help you guys. It's gonna be a very short video of like 5 minutes or 10 minutes max, and that's pretty much it. Let's begin. So before we begin, I just want to say I'm no financial advisor. Forex contains risk of real money. Trading contains risk of real money. So trade at your own risk. Read the disclaimer. And I've not traded for like 2 weeks now, so this is me just marking up my charts after 2 weeks. So I'm gonna be a little rough, and more importantly, I'm doing this so that you guys understand that I also lose, and everybody loses in the market. Nobody wins all the time, but people don't like to show their losses. So I'm gonna be someone who's gonna be showing my losses every single time. You can follow me on my Instagram. I'm gonna post there every trade that I take, every chart that I take, and it's gonna be wild. Let's just look and just mark up the charts. Okay, so to begin with, so we are at DXY now. I'm looking at the DXY monthly chart, and what I'm looking at here is this was already marked up, and it's still the same pretty much. That there was a high here. The market took out liquidity. If you can see, liquidity taken out, right? Liquidity. Sorry, my bad. So liquidity was taken out, and we had over here liquidity taken out. The market came back to this area and it formed a lower high. Why is it a lower high and not a higher high? Because you can see it's the bodies. We got to look at the bodies, and the bodies did not break above this. So if we broke above the bodies, it would be a higher high. So this is a lower high. Now we're expecting a lower low, which means that if DXY is bearish, everything should be the opposite, right? If you look at this, the US dollar would be sells, and the XXX US dollars would be buys, so any other would be buys. So we're looking at this, and now we're gonna look at the daily chart. So that's a long-term trend. Okay, so on the daily chart, remember the long-term trend is bearish, so we're looking at some bearish setups. We're gonna try and find bearish setups. However, we can see that here is a zone that's pretty interesting. Could be a buy and go above more. Could be, you never know. So we're gonna have to look at this. Like we have to keep an eye on it. So we have to keep an eye on it. Now let's look at 4 hours, same thing, this area. So you got to keep an eye on it, and that's why I don't trade Mondays. I wait for the market to see what it does and think about what it's gonna do. For now, DXY looks bearish. I'm gonna look at some dollar setups for bullish setups. So let's look at Euro USD. Start with. So Euro USD looks bearish looks bullish, as we already saw that DXY was. It's the same thing. Look at this, liquidity taken out. Over here it's different. Over here it came back and formed a higher low instead of a higher low, instead of a lower high, and that's pretty much it. Same thing. This is how I mark up my chart. So I'm just showing that this is our target. Okay, so I'm gonna write it down, target. Yeah. So and just let's go and see this. Okay, so now let me just mute my mic just a bit. Yeah. Okay. So we have it here. Now we are gonna look at Euro USD again. Bullish. We know it's bullish. We have a little liquidity down here which can be taken out, but I don't think so. It will be done today. If it does, it's amazing. Can I do? But it's way below, and we're on a daily chart. I completely forgot. So it's not gonna be. I don't think so. It won't fall down like 100 pips today. So yeah. We're looking at somewhere around here maybe. So this is our target. We're bullish on Euro long term. Right now we're bullish as well, short term on the 4 hour. So I think this would be a nice zone to buy at, because I just don't see it coming back that down yet until it actually gets back up to probably this area. Okay, or maybe this could be a good one as well. Here we have equal highs. I did not realize, but there's equal highs. So this is a really nice, like this is gonna be a nice trade if we can catch it. Like we got equal highs, we have nice setups, we have a nice institutional candlestick over here, or breaker, whatever you want to call it, OB. We have good liquidity down here though, so it can be taken out as well. So you gotta, like, what I'm gonna do is I wait for the lower time frame. So when the market's over here, I'm just gonna look at for something like say this, or something like maybe something like this. So something like maybe this, and then a liquidity push, then maybe something, and here's what I enter, here's where I enter. So something like this. I'm gonna look at something like this, liquidity taken out, we're gonna enter here. So I'm gonna try and look for something like that. The area looks nice so far. I'm gonna just enter one eyes open. Yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much it. This is a pretty simple setup, to be very honest. It might not work out, it might work out, you don't know, I don't know, but it looks pretty nice. It looks pretty nice. We have got the confirmations, not every one of them I guess, but it looks pretty nice. I'm just going to a rapid session here, you know, just before the New York session. And this is what I'm gonna do every single day. I'm gonna do better sessions as well, better videos. I'm gonna try and produce, but this is just something I planned on doing, so I'm gonna do it. Okay, let's look at GBP USD. And in the comments section, you tell me what pairs you want me to look at every single day, and I'm gonna look at those pairs. So it's gonna be even more fun, you know. I'm gonna look at pairs that you want me to look at. So yeah. Okay, so we have here okay, so this, we have liquidity down here. This looks nice liquidity though. Okay, equal highs on weekly target. I had this. Okay, okay, so this is our target. We still have it. I completely forgot. I have not traded for a while now, as you know. So this is pretty nice. We got liquidity daily. Let's look at daily. Okay, so we should not break this range. I already have it marked up. This is an external range. We should not break it. However, here's liquidity. I don't think so it's gonna come down, to be very honest. It might just push back down for a little bit maybe and then go up, but I just don't see it. Like, for me personally, I would rather take the loss than not play it. So I'm just gonna go with the buys now. I might be completely wrong again, but this is what I do and this is what I'm gonna trade with. So do not, like, please make your own analysis and everything before listening to me. I'm no financial advisor, so as you guys know. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I like this setup. Again, I'm gonna look at the lower time frame because I don't want to play it directly. I want to look at, because we already have liquidity below, so I don't want to play it directly. I want to look at the lower time frame. Over here on the 15-minute, we have nothing so far. So let's look at something else. Let's look at, say, pound Australian dollars. I love this pair. It's one of my favorite pairs. I usually trade 4 to 5 pairs, even though I have a lot of pairs here because I like to back this a lot. But I only trade 4 to 5 pairs, and most of them are like Euro, USD, GU, GA, and UCAD, and sometimes Euro GBP or so on. Like the 5th pair actually changes a lot. So we have a markup here already. I just don't know what's going on here. I've not traded for a while now, so it's gonna take some time. From tomorrow, maybe you're gonna have a better session here because you're gonna see a lot more setups. Yeah. Let me see. Okay, and also I'm planning on doing some Zoom calls on my channels, on my Telegram channel. So if you want to enter, it's completely free. You can join my Telegram channel. It's on the description below, and we're gonna do some Zoom calls maybe from next week, or maybe in the mid of this week we're gonna start. And let's see, we're gonna just look at the markets like this, you know. It's the same thing, just we will look at the markets together. That's the thing what we're gonna do here. A big LQ capture. Let's see what LQ capture happened here. Okay, so this was the one that was captured. LQ capture. Okay, makes sense. Okay, so we're playing out this right now. So this is the range, you see, this is the range right now, and we're playing out this one. This looks nice, to be very honest. Like, it played out already, played out the 78%. Well, I'm just gonna mark it up for my benefit. This was nice setup, man. Damn it. Anyhow, let's look at some buys again. I'm looking for some buys. Actually, this might be different. Yeah, it's actually bearish on the 4 hours. So I'm actually quite not sure what it's doing, but I like this area. Also, I like the area around this imbalance, which is this one. I like this imbalance, this candlestick. I think 2 hour might have a nice setup. Yeah, pretty much this is what I was talking about. But I'm again have to look at the lower time frame. Look, it's Monday, guys. Monday, I don't like trading. This is the reason why, because you don't have like proper setups that you can just place a limit and go around with, you know. So yeah, this looks nice. I might like this. I like this one, so I'm gonna put it down there. On the 15-minute, we have a beautiful institutional candlestick which also lines up with the 1 hour. Okay, so I like it. I like this. I like this area, to be very honest. I like it a lot. And again, I'm gonna look at the lower time frame. However, I can also play this, but I want to look at the lower time frame. You make your own analysis. You can just look at mine and like make your own analysis and talk about it. So this is pretty much it. This is just an introduction of what I'm gonna do every single day. So if you want to see the videos, you can just follow me and subscribe to my channel, like my videos. Follow me on Instagram, guys, because I'm gonna post a lot. No, I have an assistant. I've kept an assistant who can post for me, so I'm gonna post a lot. So follow me on Instagram, and this is it for today.